Welcome to the Mad Blueberry Farms here in Hammonton, New Jersey. My family is replanting an old blueberry field today. I wanted to show you how they replant. First, what they do is they remove the stumps and put the old plants on the stump trailer there. It's going to be thrown away. Then they take new plants and that are already pre-dug, and each plant gets a bucket of peat moss. So, for example, this is a plant that's been taken from the nursery. You'll see the plant has been cut back significantly, and the reason they cut it back is to balance the root system, okay, with the foliage on top. So the plant goes in the hole, and they put, here he is, puts a bucket of peat moss around, and what's that, a 5-gallon bucket? Yep. And then they pack it, and the dirt goes back around. It's as simple as that. But this particular field is over 40 years old, so these plants are pretty old, but they do need to be replanted after so many years. You'll see once again a little bit of peat moss around the plant, and the plant is covered, and he steps on it and packs it in. Thanks for watching.